Hey guys, this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video we'll see how to download the Delta package for the version 082 for the version 084, and aside to that we will also see how to download the same Delta package for the version 063 to 084. So let's begin with that. So on my phone screen you are able to view that security patch level is 5 May 2020 with the version ending 082. So let's begin with the downloading process and so on. But before that, I just want to confirm two other things. So firstly is status of camera to API. So on version 082, I forcefully set it to legacy and I want to see whether with the version 084 it will be changed to level 3 or not. And apart to this, the Wideband certification. So at my side it is showing me L3 and it has been persisting since the time I have flashed the Android 10 beta 1 version with version number 407 to the using some custom ROM in TWRP mode, and afterward I never got it back to L1. Many users have got, but at my side I haven't got back. So now let's begin with the downloading process and afterward with the installation. So for that I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. Nothing major has been mentioned. Few minor things like how to download this file for the version 063 to 084 or for the version 082 to 084. So for the 063 to 084, the OTA package is of size nearly about 116 MB approximately, which will upgrade your phone from 063 to 084. And for 82 to 84, the size is 61.5 MB, which will again upgrade your phone from 82 to 84. And the changelog is just a one thing that is updated to July 2020 security patch. Apart to this update method, you have to download this file, and both these files are from the official ASUS server link. So this is not from my site and anything else or any third-party site. So you can even view that asus.com and so on. So if you are on version 063 and you have to download update to 084, then you can use this Delta package. And if you are on 082 and if you want to download the Delta package for 084, then tap on this and download it afterward. Keep it in internal storage, but before doing keeping it or moving to internal storage or after, just rename this that I have mentioned in the bold letter, that is UL ASUS and so on. So once doing that, let me confirm you that as well. So to cut down the time, I have already done that part and I have already downloaded that file in my download folder. Let me show you by renaming it. So this is the actual file which I have downloaded. I haven't renamed yet. And a part of this, let me show you the internal storage. So this is the file that I have put in internal storage after renaming it. So this will end at 084 user zip and so on. So this will be the same process when you will be doing for 063 to 084 or either 082 to 084. So now I've already put that particular file here. Now we are good to go with the reboot system. Sometime if you have put that file in internal storage, it might show you after 10 to 15 minutes without even restarting that system update file detected. So both will work, but for the videos part, let me restart the phone, and as soon as the restart process will be completed, a prompt will be shown to us that a system file update or system update file has been detected. So finally our phone has been successfully rebooted to the home screen or login screen, and prompt has been shown system update file detected. So just tap on here and afterward it will show you select update package. So 084. So in KB it is showing us 63,000, which will be equivalent to 61.5 MB. Just tap it here. Now Android system update is preparing to update, and in the meantime it will be checking for integrity check and so on. If everything went well, it will restart our phone or reboot our phone automatically, and afterward it will move to this system installing update wizard or screen. So just wait for that part. So finally it has been moved to the installing system update section of wizard. So now we have to wait at least for next 2 to 3 minutes so that this process will be completed, and afterward our phone will be rebooted to the home screen or login screen successfully. So finally system update process is going to complete now and it will reboot our phone afterward. Now we just have to wait for next 2 to 3 minutes so that we can successfully boot it to the login screen or home screen. So finally our phone has been booted successfully. Now it will show you a prompt like system update successful and so on. So just wait for that. Successful system update, successfully updated to this particular version ending 084. And let me confirm you by going into the settings sections as well. So Android 9, 5 July 2020 with the version ending 084 and so on. Before we end this video, let's confirm the status of Camera 2 API. So on version 082, I have forcefully set it to legacy to see whether it will upgrade to level 3 or not, but it is really disgusting that it has not. They are providing this particular thing in Android 10 but not in Android Pie. So let's wait till the time we get the stable Android 10 update. And apart to this status of White1 certification, so at my side it is showing me L3 and it is still showing me L3 after upgrading as well. And it has been persisting since the time I have installed Android 10 beta 1 version. So apart to this, in the view like coming 2 to 3 days, I will try my level best to post a video on my review as well. So this was all from my side related to how to download and install the Delta package for the version 082 to version 084, and same apply to the version 063 to 084 too. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.